And then within these search terms, we can see what were the keywords that our ads showed up for. So here is the keyword strategies that we did. So we did final expense insurance quotes. So that's a generic keyword. We did iron fence repair. That's a generic keyword. Generic keyword once more, chain link gate repair near me. And then we also have here city name, city abbreviation, state abbreviation, and then the keyword itself. So these are the city times keyword. And we can see that we had Athens fence companies in Russellville, Arizona, or Arkansas, I believe. And then we have Allentown fence repair. So let's say, for example, the keywords that, let's say Athens is like an irrelevant keyword for us. We definitely don't want our keywords showing up for keywords that contain Athens because it doesn't make sense to us. And it's also a brand name, right? So we'll take that. We'll simply copy and we're going to go ahead and create a negative keyword list. So at the top here, we'll do negative and then click. And then we'll name it fence because we only want it to apply to our fence repair campaigns. And we'll type in Athens, right? Or for example, you can do billing, admin, office, what else do we have? Like phone, like if we're looking for like the specific company phone number or whatever other negative keywords are available, you can actually use ChatGPT to generate those. You'll select save. Item not found. Shared list with the same name. All right, so we already have that. So I'll just do fence 2. So there we go. All right, so that's our negative keyword list. We can simply click on that and apply to campaigns, and we'll type in our fence campaigns, right? So then we simply apply it to all of our campaigns, and then in the future, if someone types in Athens, fencing, it won't show up for those keywords. If they type in, some fencing billing or like billing for company X or something, then our keyword will not show up, and that's how you basically filter out the negative, that's how you filter out the irrelevant keywords. And you can also generate these negative keywords using ChatGPT. So go into ChatGPT, tell them, hey, my niche is fencing. I need negative keywords, generate them for me. 1 per line, no commentary. Boom, it creates them for you.